Hi, my name is Musa Emmanuel, and in this short video, I'm going to take you through navigating the Daba mobile application and all of its amazing features. So the very first thing you need to do is to download the application in your mobile device. How do you do this? You visit the Google Play Store and you search for Daba. So you click on install, and then after downloading, it installs, you open up the app. If this is your very first time of using the application, you have to create a new account. So how do you do this? You click on start a course now, then you click on create a new account. So you fill in your details, your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. And then lastly, you click on create account. So after creating your account, you sign into your account, you're going to be presented with your dashboard, all right? So on your dashboard, you have your active course section, the search course bar, all right, recommended courses, active courses, certificates, and commissioned. All right, so just below you have the home icon, the facilitators. If you want to know about our facilitators, you can click on that icon. You have the courses section where you can take courses. You have the free classes where you can take our free classes on Daba School. And then lastly, you have your account section. So in buying the course, you click on the courses section there, and then you're going to see the courses we have on Daba. So note that you can actually take more than one course, 2 courses, or even 3 courses at a time. So how do you do this? You click on add to cart on all the courses you want to take. So after clicking on add to cart, you click on confirm, and then you're going to be presented with a new page where you select your payment method. So we have 2 payment methods, the debit card or a bank transfer. So we're going to use the debit card method, and then you're going to click on confirm. So it's going to lead you securely to our Paystack page where you're going to be able to pay securely without any problems or without any issues. Now you have pay with card, pay with bank, pay with transfer, pay with USSD, or pay with the Visa QR code. So you select whichever works best for you, and then you make your payment. So after making your payment, you're going to see your courses or your course in your active course section. Where do you locate your active course section? You click on the sub menu at the top left. It's going to open up, and then you're going to see active courses. So you click on active courses, and then you're going to be presented with the courses that you have just bought. All right. So you click on any of the courses you want, and then you start watching them. If you're very busy, you can just click on the save, and then this course will be downloaded in your mobile application. So bear in mind that after your payments have been confirmed, within 24 hours, our customer care representative would add you to our community support groups or our signal groups. But if after 24 hours you do not get added, please reach out to our customer care representative or send a message on our social media platforms. And before I conclude, do you know that you can also earn on Daba.school by becoming an affiliate? It's so easy. How do you do this? Navigate back to your home section and then click on the sub-menu icon at the top left. And when you click on the sub-menu icon at the top left, you're going to see My Commission section. Click on My Commission section, and there you'll see your unique referral code. Kindly copy your referral code and share it with your friends and loved ones. And whoever buys a course through your link makes you money, makes them money, and we're all happy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned how to use the Daba mobile application. Cheers.